Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Red Alert 2 Yuri's Revenge in full high definition. First, ensure your game is completely installed and updated. Then, navigate to your game's installation folder. You will need to find three specific configuration files: ddrawcompat.ini, ray2.ini, and ray2md.ini. These files are crucial for adjusting your display settings. Next, open the ddrawcompat.ini file with a text editor. Locate the line that begins with supported resolutions. Here, you can add native to automatically support your monitor's resolution, or manually input specific resolutions like 1920 by 1080. Remember to save your changes before closing the file. This step enables the game to recognize modern display modes. Now open both the ray2.ini and ray2md.ini files. Find the screen width and screen height entries and update them to match your chosen resolution, for example, 1920 by 1080. Additionally, under the video section, add the line "Allow high-res modes equals yes." This ensures the game fully utilizes the new settings. Save both files after making these modifications. Finally, launch Red Alert 2 Yuri's Revenge. Once you reach the main menu, simply type the word "Hires" on your keyboard. You should hear a confirmation sound. This action unlocks higher resolution options within the game's settings. Navigate to the display settings and select your preferred high-definition resolution. Enjoy playing your classic real-time strategy game with enhanced visuals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.